Standard 6th Subject General Science Unit 10th Force and Types of Force. Hello students, we are learning about force and types of force. Students, there are 6 types of force: muscular force, mechanical force, gravitational force, magnetic force, frictional force, and electrostatic force. In this video, we are going to learn about frictional force, Gharshan bal. Students, you play a game of carom. When you flick a carom piece lightly, it slides over the carom board but stops at a certain distance. A ball rolling over a flat ground stops at a certain distance. Why does this happen? When two surfaces rub against each other, the force of friction comes into play. दोन पृष्ठभाग एकमेकांवर घासत असताना त्यांमध्ये घर्षण बल कार्य करू लागते. It always acts against the direction of motion. When a brake is applied while riding a bicycle, it stops after running a short distance. How does the brake work? Between which parts is friction produced? When you squeeze the brake levers on the handlebars, thin metal cables running to the back and front wheels pull on small calipers, forcing rubber blocks to press against the wheels. The frictional force between the tire and the rubber makes the tire stop. Students, do the activity given in the section. Try this. Take 2 pieces of smooth paper and 2 of sandpaper and rub them against each other. What do you notice? The smooth surfaces can be easily rubbed against each other because the force of friction between them is less, while rough surfaces cannot be easily rubbed against each other because the force of friction between them is much greater. It is possible for us to walk on the ground only because of the force of friction. If there is no friction, we would slip and fall. We can slip while walking on an oily or wet floor. Why is powder sprinkled on carom board while playing carom? Because the coins of the carom board should move swiftly during the play. Why is a wooden plank laid down for pulling out a car which is stuck in mud? चिखलात अडकलेल्या मोटारीला बाहेर काढण्यासाठी लाकडी फळी का टाकली जाते? A force of friction is generated between the wheel and the wooden plank laid down under the car. Hence, it can be pulled out from the mud. The force of friction can either be decreased or increased as desired. गरजेप्रमाणे घर्षण बल कमी अधिक करता येते. आपल्या दैनंदिन जीवनात आपण घर्षण बल केव्हा कमी करतो किंवा केव्हा वाढवितो याचा विचार करा. ओके, बाय स्टुडंट्स.